The role of a police officer is to protect, is to reduce crime, to prevent crime. Every call that comes in to the police is important to us. But certainly at the top of our priority pyramid would be a call that's either going to stop a crime or save a life. Any information that comes to the police that may indicate that it may rise to the level of a violation of the Crimes Code is really the impetus for us to start an investigation. There are a couple different ways in which an arrest can develop and proceed.
We're just going to go in, we're going to get you processed.
Most of the time, an arrest is made, the person is taken into custody, the person is searched, transported back to police headquarters, and then the processing part of the arrest begins.
Ma'am, do you have anything on you?
No.
Anything that can hurt us? Anything sharp? Needles?
No. No. You took
All right,
it.
we're going to search you real quick, all right?
Jane, just put that right in front of you.
We have to take their photograph. We have to take their fingerprints.
Make sure you don't touch your clothing.
We don't necessarily need to advise somebody of their rights when they're arrested. If we're going to try to solicit a statement from them, if we're going to try to get them to make an admission or a confession, we would have to advise them of their rights. But if we're just taking them into custody, bring them into police headquarters, the only thing we ask them is their name and their address and some of the other generic information we need to know about their identity, who they're employed by, and things of that nature.
And what is your current occupation?
I'm a student.
I'm going to need to put you in the holding cell until we go see the judge for your arraignment. Okay, so what I need you to do is take off your shoes for me, please.
With regard to holding cells, each department is different. Here we have a facility that has 4 holding cells.
Okay, Jane, we need to go back to the last cell.
Our department policy allows us optimally to only put 1 defendant per cell. If we have a greater number of defendants, we can put 2 people per cell. If we have a mass arrest incident, we have mutual aid agreements with surrounding departments that we can use their facilities as an overflow. We do need to keep in mind that there are Commonwealth regulations, and we need to segregate juveniles from adults and males from females. From that point, we then either get the person arraigned immediately, which means they're taken before a judge, they're formally informed of what the charges are, and then bail is set. There are arrests that we make that we don't go through that full process. There are times in which we can arrest somebody, bring them into headquarters, take their fingerprints, their photograph, and they can be released pending the summons. Once they're summoned, they have a date in which they have to appear to court, and then they go through the same process. They're arraigned at court, they go through the hearing, and bail is set, and then the hearing is held.